Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Tonight we're doing a couple boxes of 14-15 masterpieces, so that means that we're going to do a random here of all the people in the break. So the names of the winners all went in 3 times, and there they are there. We'll randomize it 4 times. Team on top and team on bottom at the end of it will be winners of a free entry into a box of 11, 12, or 12, 13 limited. So there you see your teams. Let's get ready and go. I'm just holding my camera here so that, okay. So, what looks like Team Carol on top. Team Carol team on top for number 1, and then, God, I ain't got my glasses, I can't see it. Team Carol on bottom. How about that? Okay, so there we go. Gerardo 79 on top. Team Carol on bottom. That's after 2. There comes number 3. Chef on 24 on top, and Turbo Plumber 65 on bottom. And that was, as you can see, that was 3. Here's number 4, 4th and final. Gives us Team Carol. I think that's what that is. On top, and Turbo Plumber 65 on the bottom. There's your 4-time winners. Okay, just give me a second here and I'll get my camera set back up. Maybe. Maybe not, huh? Oh. And I have much luck here. Do I want it higher than that? That should be good. So we can see them. Okay, well, let's get down to business here after all that mucking around. Glasses. Important glasses. Okay, there we go. Here's our list of teams and their owners. Thanks to everybody for jumping in. So, serial number 7865 and 7817, break 124. Here's our 2 boxes. Whoops, sorry, all thumbs and elbows here today. 7865 and 7817. Here's our time. It's the Bruce time, 21 of June already. I think it's the first day of spring, maybe a little wet. 16:01, that's Nova Scotia time, people. Let's get down and get with it. Had a beautiful day yesterday. Nice sunshine. Had some steak on the barbie with some friends. Pretty awesome. Okay. Let's get my chair around here. Oh, man. Okay. I think we're ready now. What do you think? Let's go to her. We'll start off with our rookies for the Bolts, and that's Team Carol team. and that's Vladislav Neminska. Okay, Vladislav Neminskov. Okay, then we've got wire photos for the New York Islanders, and that goes to Todd Hopper, $12.99, and that's John Tavares. I guess my light isn't all that good here either, or maybe it's just my, yeah, it's just that. Okay, we'll get going here. Here comes Jonathan Toews with a jersey going out to Team Carroll team. Very nice, and that is not numbered. There's an Adam Henrique black for the New Jersey Devils, and it's an auto going out to Jeffrey 67407. Very nice, and that is out of 15. Sweet. Now next week I've got Thursday. I've got oh gosh, I'm gonna say I don't know what I've got. I've got some breaks up. I think I got a 5-boxer of, don't know, I'll have to look. Just give me a second here. Vanny Malkin for the Pittsburgh Penguins, and that goes to WMAC22. Gino. I think it's 2 boxes of masterpieces and 5 boxes of limited for Thursday night. Then on Saturday night, I believe it's 5 boxes of limited, 5 boxes of Ultimate Collection. Then on Sunday night, I think it's 1 box of Dominion. And they will all, those boxes will all be broken on Sunday night, the Saturday night ones. So we got Steve Shutt from Montreal. That's Jeffrey 67407. Wire photos. Nice. Good. Well, that's what we've got rounded up for next week. Next Sunday night, I'm going to attempt to go live on Breakers TV with those breaks. It may or may not happen. I apologize if it doesn't, but sometimes you never know with my internet. So, Leon Drysdale, rookies for the Oilers, WMAC 22. So we'll try to get that done. Just no guarantees. Not much sense to do it if the internet connection is not working properly. Okay, so I'm up from Montreal, not back to back, but close. Alex Galchenyuk, that's a jersey for Montreal. Yeah, looking at a base pack. Another base pack. Well, get them all in a row. And there's 4 or 5 of them in there. Another black. Valerie Nichushkin for the Dallas Stars, going up to Team Carroll team. Black, numbered out of 50. 30 of them. Very nice. Base. There's a red one, Theon Fleury. Red border, out of 100. 54 out, and that's going out to New York. And that's Chief F24. There's the Avalanche and the Predators. WMAC 22 and Jeffrey 67407 will be random for this one. We'll set that aside. And we'll do it at the end of the box break. I gotta figure out something a little different for those randoms. Moving that camera around just got frig. Okay, there's the great one. Going up to the Oilers. WMAC. Wow. That stuff just falling all over the place. Oh, we got a thick one here anyway. Going out to the Ducks and Turbo Plumber 65. Ryan Getzlaff. Not numbered. Welcome back by the way, Dan. Hope all's well. And for the San Jose Sharks, Thomas Hertel. Going out to F.D. Bart. And there we go. We'll move that one up there. We'll try not to forget it. Okay, pardon me, I'm just going to have a little sip of water. Blame it on lunch being salty. Alrighty. Box number 2. Ooh, here we go. Let me get rid of this one. Michael Granlund, an auto for the Minnesota Wild, not numbered, Team Carroll team. That's your second auto I've hauled for you. And folks, the first one was a Wayne Gretzky. Very nice. Joey Hishin for the Avs. Guy Lafleur for Montreal, wire photos. Oop, wrong pack. Wrong pile. That happens. Looks like a base pack. Smells like a base pack. Guess it's a base pack. Nathan MacKinnon for the Avs. Nice. Shea Weber for the Preds. Preds is Jeffrey 67407. And that's 50, or it's 5 out of 100. And there's Thomas Hurdle again. Tomas Hurdle. Nice jersey. Going up to San Jose. For the Philadelphia Flyers, and a Blue Eyes 61-7-16. That's Dave the Hammer Schultz. Very nice. And for the Bruins, Mr. Bobby Orr. Alex Galchenyuk from Montreal. Red border. 40 out of 100. I think we got about 5 to go here. And of course we're going to run into some base. Base. And some more base. There's a black. Mike Gartner for the Capitals. Team Carroll team. Number 4 out of 50. For Montreal, we got Carey Price. Wire photos. Three to go. I guess my quick count was off a little bit there before. Aaron Ekblad, rookies, very nice for the Panthers. D-Mac, 87-89. And winding her down here. For the Pittsburgh Penguins and WMAC 22, we got Sidney Crosby. And for the New York Rangers, we got Martin St. Louis and Mike Richards doing the happy dance. Last pack. Oh, it's not a base one, and I tell you, WMAC's going to be happy with this one. I know I would be. Look at that. Prime, Nathan McKinnon, black border, out of 35, 17 out of 35. How sweet is that? Congratulations goes out to WMAC 22. Okay, so now we're going to set up for that random. Real quick like, I think. Try to here. Random. And here's the card. And it's going between Nashville Predators and the Ottawa, or the Colorado Avalanche. So we've got Preds and the Avs. And let's cook that up a couple times. Okay, so I do my randoms. I put the teams in 3 times. I random them 4 times. Team on top at the end will be the winner. There you see Preds and Avs. Preds and Avs. If I get my mouse. Okay, Avs on top after 1. Avs on top after 2. Avs on top after 3. Well, they sweep. Survey says the winner is the Avs all the way. Get down. Okay, so that goes out to WMAC 22. Okay, folks, thanks very much for taking part. Till I see you next time, happy bidding.